right, here's this recipe for the Parmesan bacon ranch chicken with asparagus. You'll need 1 pack of 6 chicken legs, a pack of the frozen asparagus, butter, Parmesan cheese, ranch dressing, olive oil for cooking, bacon bits, pink salt and pepper, a bowl and a spoon for mixing, a fry pan with a cover, 3/4 cupper, a 1/4 cupper, and a tablespoon. Now let's go ahead and put our fry pan on the stove, adding 3 tablespoons of the olive oil and turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. Now let's get our mixture for our chicken ready. You'll need a 3/4 cup of ranch dressing, a 1/4 cup of the Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of bacon bits, and then give it a good stir. And then season it up with heavily pink salt, light on the pepper, and go ahead and give that a good stir. And let's add our chicken legs in. Now in the pan here, you only see 5, but I did do 6. This is actually 3 servings. You're going to put the cover on and let it cook. Once it's cooked on one side, go ahead and flip them and continue to cook with the cover on. Now let's go ahead and get our asparagus cooked up while that's finishing up in the microwave for 6 minutes. Once it's cooked, then cut the cover off, or the top of it, and drain all the liquid off. And now you're ready to serve your plate up. I'm only showing 2 servings, but again, it's actually 3 servings. You'll each get 2 chicken legs and a 3rd package of the asparagus. I added a pat of butter, 1 tablespoon of bacon bits to the asparagus, and some Parmesan also to the chicken. And this was absolutely delicious at only 6.5 net carbs. Now, if you want to save on the fat, don't add the butter, don't add the olive oil. Cook in a non-stick pan, and that'll save you fat. Let's keep it keto, everybody.